Colleen Hoover has reactivated her Instagram, and it seems like she's deleted all the shared photos with Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds. A teacher from her school also messaged me, and it seems like there's been some progress in their legal case. The legal battle between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni has taken a new turn. Back in 2017, the movie Life was released. But now, the legal issues between Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds have entered a new phase, as their latest request was completely denied by the judge. Their legal team had been trying to get more time to prepare, but the court rejected this request, and now Candace Owens has entered the situation, criticizing the couple, saying they are trying to manipulate the system. This legal case is getting more complicated every day, with strange legal maneuvers and old interviews resurfacing. It seems that things have spiraled out of control for Blake and Ryan. They were hoping to delay the legal process so they could reorganize, but the judge rejected their request outright, showing no leniency. Now, they are headed toward a serious court battle, for which they seem unprepared, and with so much information leaking out, the timing couldn't be worse for them. Meanwhile, Colleen Hoover has reactivated her Instagram and seemingly erased all the photos with Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds. Also, her teacher reached out to me, suggesting that their legal case is advancing. Unfortunately, I can't report on this as a political journalist today. If you're interested in politics, I apologize. But for the rest of you, welcome. As the legal pressure increases, Blake and Ryan's legal team tried to get an extension from the judge. But not only was their request denied, the judge harshly responded, questioning why they needed more time. The judge clearly stated that there was no reason for this request, and gave them just one more day. This event was interesting because the judge made it clear that they had plenty of time over the past year to prepare. Meanwhile, as Blake and Ryan's team tries to get more time, the case against Blake and Justin Baldoni is still ongoing, and Blake and Ryan are under even more pressure. In this situation, even if they manage to win one case, they might soon face other legal challenges. On top of that, an old interview of Blake Lively has resurfaced, and this is backfiring on her. What once seemed like a harmless interview is now being scrutinized from a new perspective, and it's being analyzed more than ever. This could be more evidence that Blake's public persona has just been a show. At the same time, the legal battle with Justin Baldoni continues, and this is just the beginning of bigger problems for Blake and Ryan. If they lose this case, they could lose everything.